Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about design pattern, factory pattern. So factory pattern is one of the most used design pattern in Java. This type of design pattern comes under creational pattern, as this pattern provides one of the best ways to create an object. In factory pattern, we create object without exposing the creation logic to the client and refer to newly created object using a common interface. Implementation. We are going to create a shape interface and concrete classes implementing the shape interface. A factory class shape factory is defined as next step. Factory pattern demo. Our demo class will use shape factory to get a shape object, and it will pass information circle, rectangle, square to shape factory to get the type of object it needs. Step 1. Create an interface shape.java. Step 2. Create concrete classes implementing the same interface. Rectangle.java, then square.java, circle.java. Step 3. Create a factory to generate object of concrete class based on given information. Shape factory.java. Step 4. Use the factory to get object of concrete class by passing an information such as type. Step 5. Verify the output. Step 4. Use the factory object to get the object of concrete class by passing an information such as type. Step 3. Create a factory to generate object of concrete class based on given information. Step 2. Create concrete classes implementing the same interface. Step 1. Create an interface shape.java. So this was a brief discussion on design pattern, factory pattern. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.